Hey guys, welcome back to Maths from my desk. And in today's video, we're going to go ahead and figure out which of these two numbers right here is larger. So is it 2025, to the power of 2026 or 2026 to the power of 2025? So in order to figure this out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and set up a fraction. So in the numerator, we're going to have 2026 to the power of 2025. And in the denominator, we're going to have 2025 to the power of 2026. And if this fraction ends up being bigger than 1, then this means that the denominator is larger, and therefore 2026 to the power of 2025 is bigger. And if this fraction gives me a result that is less than 1, I'm gonna see that 2025 to the power of 2026 is the larger number. So let's go ahead and simplify this fraction in order to figure this out. So what I can do is I can factor out a 2025 from the denominator so that the numerator and the denominator have the same exponent. So what I end up with is 1 over 2025, since I just factored this out, times 2026 to the 2025, all over 2025 to the 2025, since I factored out 2025 over here. And in this fraction, the numerator and the denominator have the same exponent, so I can take the exponent out of the fraction, and I end up with 1 over 2025 times 2026 over 2025 to the power of 2025. Now, 2026 over 2025, this is something that I can simplify as 2025 over 2025 plus 1 over 2025. Because 2025 plus 1 is going to give you 2026, so you just end up with 2026 over 25. And let's not forget that we have 2025 in the exponent. So then we have 1 over 2025 times 1 plus 1 over 2025 to the power of 2025. Now, the whole trick from this entire problem is we can figure this out. Basically, if you remember, there's a very famous limit in calculus. The limit is n approaches infinity of 1 plus 1 over n to the n. This approaches e. E is approximately 2.71, and it's irrational, so it keeps going. So we have the same scenario essentially here. We have 1 plus 1 over 2025 to the power of 2025. So this whole thing, we can approximate it to be approximately e. So the whole expression, 2026 to the power of 2025 over 2025 to the power of 2026, this is approximately equal to e over 2025. And e being approximately 2.71 divided by 2025 is much smaller than 1. And so this tells me that 2025 to the power of 2026 is larger. So I have that 2025 to the power of 2026 is larger than 2026 to the power of 2025. And this is how you can figure out this problem. And usually these type of problems, it always ends up linking up to this limit right here. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another video.